I'm going to get my physical TBR down to 0 before this year is over. And to help me towards that goal, I'm reading 7 books in 7 days. And this is the final book. Yeah, this is the last book. I'll be honest, I am cheating a bit. If you've seen my TBR video, you already know this. When my TBR jar picked out this book for me, I decided pretty quickly that this was gonna count for 2 books. Because this book has 1,329 pages. There was no chance I was ever going to finish this in one day. So instead, I'm gonna use the 6th and the 7th day finishing this. And even that is a bit ambitious. But I have made great progress with the previous 5 books, which means that I'm actually way ahead of schedule. So I'm currently on the 4th day, which means I still have this evening and 3 more days to read this book. And the book I'm talking about is, of course, Wind and Truth by Brandon Sanderson, which is the last book in the Stormlight Archives. So it's fair to say that I'm also looking very much forward to reading it. So we better get started. Good morning. I'm starting the day on page 68. Let's get this day going and do some reading. I will be biking to work now, and I am on page 107. And any other day, I would have thought that was great progress, and I was doing fine, but it's next to nothing in this book, so I'm becoming more and more skeptical about this. I have managed to listen to quite a lot, which means that I am now on page 296. Even though I would love to sit and read, what I really need to do now is do some cleaning. So I'm actually going to continue with the audiobook, and then we'll see how much progress I can make while I clean. I made it to page 464 yesterday, so let's make some coffee and get to reading. I'm on page 498 now, and I'm gonna start work, but continue listening whenever I can. Right now, I have this feeling that this book is gonna end in absolute heartbreak, and I'm not sure I can handle it. I finished work and talked to a friend for 1.5 hours, so I might not have made as much progress as I had hoped, but I am page 561, and I still think that is pretty good. The deadline is currently looming over me and is seeming a bit unrealistic. I can see now that it was the right choice to let this book count as 2 books. Maybe I should even have counted it as 3 books. Everything about this